What is going on YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this review, be sure to check out my Instagram at Chris Catalunya with an underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm, and I appreciate y'all helping me strive for 20,000 subscribers. Now, this video would not be possible without the efforts from Kicking It ATX. Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, Texas. Whether you're looking for the latest from Nike, Adidas, Saucony, the Hundreds, or you just want to talk up your shoe game in the full-service bar lounge in the back, Kicking It has what you need. Check them out at kickingitatx.com. It's been a minute since I've reviewed an Ultraboost. As of recent, I haven't seen anything from the Adidas Ultraboost lineup that I've liked. So today is for the Beyonce Ivy Park fans. If you don't know, Beyonce is an official partner for Adidas. In the past, her brand Ivy Park has produced several collaborative silhouettes with Adidas, such as the Night Joggers, the Super Sleeks, the Forums, and several other Ultraboost colorways. And not only is this 2021 capsule releasing shoes, but it is also releasing clothing for both men and women. But clothing reviews aren't my thing, so you're not gonna see me in anything. Upon making this purchase, we are presented with this box. We have the wheat color slip cover where the tray is lavender, and then you have some coral colored Adidas and Ivy Park branding going up on the front with a hexagon cutout for the finger hole that you can just pull the tray out. You can pull out the box all the way. You'll have some indentation with the 3-stripe branding right here and the Ivy Park name. Inside the box, we have a cotton dust bag going on with some more of that coral Adidas and Ivy Park branding. Removing the contents, we got the tissue paper and the shoes itself. First impression, the shoe looks pretty dope. The shoe is done in a triple navy color form where the upper, the boost midsole, and the outsole is outfitted in that navy color. But it's not like the navy color that you would expect from like a Michigan navy or a navy color. It's like a subdued navy, if that makes any sense. This silhouette is based off of the OG Ultraboost model, which I think is the best looking one. I'm just not a fan of the newer Ultraboost styles. These retail at a $200 USD price point, and they should be made available at most sneaker boutiques with an Adidas account, such as Kicking It ATX, and they're set to release tomorrow, which is August 20th, 2021. Looking at the resale market, looking at SneakerCon, GOAT, and StockX, resale before the release is pretty much non-existent, and I don't expect them to have any resale value. This shoe, it's definitely for people that actually want them. Taking a look at the shoe, the upper is an elastic textile fabric featuring both tight and loose gauge knits strategically placed around the shoe. There are some dark and light hues on the textile upper. The middle portion of the shoe, it features a TPU cage where we have the 3-stripe branding going on, of course notably for the Adidas logo. This TPU gives structure to the shoe as well as acts as eye stays for the 2 sets of laces that we'll discuss in a bit. The heel counter is also made of a TPU to prevent roll on your foot. On it is a suede navy panel stamped in with Ivy Park branding. The right pair offers a carabiner lanyard, of course, with that Ivy Park and Adidas branding. Back to the laces, we are provided with 2 sets, with the default being a rope type donning some reflective hits on it, and an adjustable clasp made out of plastic. And if you want to change out these laces, I think you will have to cut the laces or cut the oglets as it is melted in like a plastic molding. Now, the other lace comes on a lace bag or a lock bag on the left pair of shoes. That is of a flat shape and still attains those same reflective bits and that same navy color. Behind those sets of laces is the absent tongue. At the bottom on the right pair, it says Ivy, whereas on the left pair, it says Park. Moving towards the top of the tongue, you'll see this leather bit right here with Adidas branding. Taking a look, the lining is padded pretty comfortably at the lateral, at the medial, and at the heel. Matching with the rest of the theming, it too is done in this navy color. Removing the insole, it's done in a fake pigskin or a faux leather with raised Ivy Park and Adidas branding at the heel, and it's placed on a white piece of foam. The midsole, it employs that famous Boost material that brought the Adidas name back into relevancy. It's pretty comfortable by providing lots of cushioning, and it sheds the need of having a quality insole. That's why the insole that we looked at just now is pretty thin. Now, moving on to the outsole, it's made of a blown rubber component provided by Continental, a rubber company most notable for their tires. You can see this Continental branding done up in black at the top of the shoe, and this plateau-like design going all the way around the outsole, making up for the traction marks. These little cut-ups or windows on the outsole enable you to see through and see the Boost midsole. This hollowed out area, the archway, is Adidas' proprietary technology called torsion system. Created in 1988, this technology supports the midfoot by using a plastic bridge connecting the heel and the forefoot to produce a seamless movement from heel to toe. When it comes to sizing, it kind of varies. With the Ultraboost, I can rock a size 8 and be fine with it, as the uppers, they're flexible and elastic. Definitely, I think that going a half size down would work in your favor. If you don't know your size in the Ultraboost are sitting around almost everywhere, that it should be easy for you to get sized up. In terms of comfortability, these are probably the most comfortable silhouettes off the shelf. I prefer these to almost all of the offerings from Nike and all of the other Adidas models. I used to love the Yeezy 350s, but the lack of support in those, it was easy for me to gravitate to the Ultraboost. Also, I just don't support that man anymore. Overall, I think Beyonce's Ivy Park brand collaborating once again with Adidas, it's always a good mix. I do like that the capsule this time around makes it more wearable for those masculine types. Personally, I don't care what a shoe color is. If it looks good and is in my size, I'm going to buy it. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about this collaborative effort between Ivy Park and Adidas once again? Is it a good pickup, a bad pickup? Are you going to try to cop these for $200? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram at ChrisCatalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm and help me get to that 20,000 subscriber mark. I greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers! Sige na.